morning! Welcome to the Odoo farm. I start my morning with the Odoo mobile app. I check up notifications, activities to do, and I catch up with team on all the topics we have to discuss. So let's check what the marketing is saying. Oh, they have new designs for the website. Love it. Perfect. And here in R&D, I have a task to validate to improve the contrast. Looks like it's a very good idea. So let's have a thumbs up reaction to it. Oh, and he already replied with an animated GIF. So Odoo Discuss allows you to have private discussions between employees or group discussions or even with customer. Let's have a look if my customer reacted to it. Oh, he needs a new quotation as soon as possible. Let's work on it. Let's have a look to this quotation. To jump to a document super fast, you can use the new Ctrl-K shortcut. Ctrl-K, a few letters, and you jump to your quotations. Select the document with the arrow, and just like that, in a few seconds, you get the document you are looking for. But for this quote, I might need the help of Anthony. To contact someone in the document, same shortcut, Ctrl-K, and you have the chat window with Anthony. Write the message. Can you review this quote now? And if you did a mistake, use the up arrow, and you can modify your message in place. Just like that, and I send it.
Okay, this looks urgent. Let's call Fabien.
Hello, Anthony.
Hello, Fabien. I'm on your quotation and I will change the terms and conditions.
Oh, good, thank you. So what I like about Odoo 15 is that we can both work on the same field and update the same content together. So it's very collaborative. So while Anthony is changing the condition, I can change the payment terms, and then we are good to go. We are good like that?
Yeah, it's good for me.
Perfect, so we can send the quotation by email to the customer. So I click over here and I send by email.
Okay, right on time. Let's open the quotation. Here are the details. Terms and conditions are as agreed. Let's accept this and sign.
Yes, we got the deal. So it's time to plan the resources. I use the shortcut and I go to the planning. On the left, I see all my resources and the time allocated according to their work schedule. As I can see here, John only has 16 hours out of the 40 hours he can do this week. To assign the tasks that have been solved to him, all I have to do is to click on the small magnify icon. I select an item and it's going to be assigned automatically based on his work schedule. Now that my planning is good, all I have to do is to send it by email to all the developers so that they will know what to do. It's time to call the team for a kickoff meeting. Right from the project page, all I have to do is to click on this small icon and I can join the team. Hi team!
Hi Fabien!
Hi there!
Hello, so let me share you my screen. We'll see the different tasks and review the project together. So I share my screen. Okay, here are the tasks.
All right, would you mind showing me the Gantt chart, please?
Yes, so let's have a look at the Gantt chart. We can make it by employees and by months. And as you can see now, in the Gantt chart, we have all the dependencies between the tasks. If one of the arrows is in orange or in red, it means that we have a conflict. In order to reschedule automatically, you can ask Odoo to compute the critical path. To do so, just click on the icon here and on this arrow too, and Odoo computes the critical path using the time off of the different employees. So as you can see here, it's gray because the employee is on holiday, so we didn't schedule something to do for him at that time. All right, so before we start the project, let's review together the task final testing that is here. So in order to do so, I'll use the new collaborative editing of Odoo, and the new / command allows you to have access to a lot of formatting options, like /heading, and I get a heading. You can set use cases, and then /heading tests, and then you can add other things like checkbox /checkbox, and I can do some checkbox.
I will take care of the use cases.
Oh, thank you, Anthony. If you can write the use case, and I'll continue with the test, and we can write together in the same document. So like test 1, test 2, and test 3, while Anthony is working on the use case. Good, looks good to me. Is it good for you guys?
Yeah, looking good to me, thank you.
All right, let's check with the team the status of the project. So I go to the team and join the call. Hi team.
Hey Fabien.
Hello, Fabien.
Hey, where are you on the project?
Well, I'm very proud to say it's all finished. I'm only waiting for the customer to review the work, you know.
Yes, perfect. So let's invite him to the call. I'll invite him in the conversation, invite, and I'll send him an email so that we can do a call in 1 hour.
Let's join the meeting with the guys from Odoo. Hello guys, good afternoon.
Hello, Alan.
Hello.
Can't wait to see what the project is going so far.
So let me share my screen so that we can do the status report together, and give me a second so that I go to the project here, and from the project I can click on track here and do a new status report. Maybe John, if you can comment?
Yeah, sure indeed. So as you can see here, out of the 4 milestones, 3 are completed, and the only remaining one is for you to do the final approval. So do you approve it?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Thank
So
you so
let's
much.
do a status report to record the progress. So we all agree that it's on track.
Yes, perfect. Everything is all good. Feel free to invoice the remaining milestones.
Perfect. So I'll just say you're happy with it in the final report. And because it's okay that we invoice, I go to the sale order, I create an invoice, and just like that, you will receive an invoice.
Whoa, they're also very fast to issue invoice. This is what I like with Odoo, is the transparency. Right from the invoice, you can directly access to timesheets and see the detail of every hour's billed. I love it.